These are very, very important questions when we are analyzing the XRD data for research paper or for writing dissertation or thesis. Most of the times we see that what is the JCPDS card number, and we also see that what is the JCPDS file number. Basically, when we synthesize a material, we have to perform the XRD. So when we perform the XRD, so basically we get information in the form of 2 theta value. This is also called peak positions. And we get the information about the D value. And we also get the information about the relative intensity. Here, these are the relative intensity. One peak higher, another peak lower, another peak much lower, another very higher. But we do not know about the crystal structure of our material. So what basically we do? We basically compare this 2 theta value, the D value, the relative intensity, also the Miller indices, HKL, with this database, because this database contains all this information, the 2 theta value, the relative intensity, the Miller indices, the D value for most of the materials, right? And this is basically mean Joint Committee on Powder Diffraction Standards. But this is no more exist, and this is basically replaced by ICDD. This means the International Center for Diffraction Data. So it started working from 1987 until now, right? So this ICDD has the same function just like the JCPDS. But in most of the paper, people still using these card numbers. I think they need to replace this with the ICDD. Now, what is powder diffraction file? I will not read this because I will put this in the description. But powder diffraction file I will talk about here in this video. Powder diffraction file, basically look the name here. It's for the powder and it's diffraction file. So that file basically contain a lot of data of different organic, inorganic, ceramics, metal oxide metals in the form of these. It keeps the data in the form of 2 theta, in the form of D value, the relative intensity, as well as the Miller indices, that what Miller indices this peak has. And this powder diffraction file basically maintained by ICDD. This ICDD is a database, and this powder diffraction file basically contain all the information. But who is maintaining this PDF? This ICDD is maintaining this PDF. I want to add here that this is basically not free data, and this is basically commercially available. We have to purchase. If we cannot purchase, so the organization has to purchase. This is not free available data. There are many other free databases. I will talk about that is the SIF and Crystallography and some others. So if your material is not a complete new material, so you can take help from the literature. And this is, you see here, this is the ICDD here, and this is the abbreviation for the International Center for Diffraction Data, and it serves the same purpose just like the JCPDS here. You see here, we just use this to compare our experimental XRD with the standard. This is our experimental XRD, so it contains a lot of information, and we have to compare the 2 theta value, the intensity value, the HKL Miller indices values, and the D value, and from there we will confirm that what is the crystal structure of material. Now this is basically the powder diffraction file. This file basically this is basically the collection of a single phase XRD patterns, and it is in the form of tables, and that table basically contain the interplanar spacing like the D value, the corresponding relative intensities, and the list of 2 theta value, or this is called the peak positions, that where the peak is locating, because the peak positions give us about the crystal structure. So this 2 theta value is very, very important. And look here, this PDF also contain the chemical formula for that in its name, the chemical formula also in the name. The crystallographic data, we explained this a little bit. For example, the material is cubic, tetragonal, hexagonal, triclinic. are the unit cell dimension like the A, B, C value and the space group as well. What is the space group? Because they give the space group to the separate crystal structure. The diffraction data, we explain this, the D value here, this PDF contains the D values, the list of 2 theta value and the relative intensity in diffraction peaks, you see. Similarly, it also contains the Miller indices like the HKL for their corresponding diffraction peaks. This, you see, this PDF contains this much material data, and you know this not only contain only this total, all the physical chemical property of that material, right?